If you have a lot of back-to-back meetings like I do, then you'll understand the pain of having to spend another 30 minutes after your calls to organize your notes, draft email responses, and manage your action items. So today I want to walk you through Granola. It's an AI notepad that's helping me turn my meeting notes into AI-powered workflows. So let's talk about what it is, what features it has, and how it's been saving me a lot of time. The main function is to transcribe meetings and calls, and it works across all of the apps you use like Zoom, Google Meet, and Slack. You can even use it for in-person meetings or offline conversations because it works directly on your phone. Now, unfortunately, it is only available on iOS right now, but I hear that the Android version is coming out soon. So if you have in-person meetings like one-on-ones at the office, or you often meet customers in person, you can capture all of those conversations as well, and they'll be nicely synced across all of your devices. And unlike other apps, there are no meeting bots. Granola just transcribes your device's audio directly, so everything feels a little more distraction-free. One use case I've been really loving is just opening a new note and brain dumping my thoughts. Granola then automatically summarizes, organizes, and makes everything searchable. And this works across all of your notes, so it makes it feel like a second brain where you can just record any kind of raw thoughts and notes, and it will make everything searchable through the chat. Now let's talk about one of Granola's most powerful features, which is recipes. Recipes are basically pre-built prompts or workflows that you can run before, during, and after your meetings. So if you've ever used slash commands in other tools or Cloud Code, this feels very similar to that. And the reason why they're so powerful is because you can instantly perform actions on your notes with all of the context of a given note and conversation. For example, I used the recipe suggest topics before going into a call with a customer. I started by writing a couple of notes on who I was meeting, what the call was about, and the recipe was able to generate some thoughtful questions based on the context. The questions felt relevant because it understood the context of the meeting and my client's background, and so I just felt a little more prepared going into that meeting. You can also use recipes during calls, and probably my favorite recipe right now is one that helps me create linear tickets during a call. So while I was talking to a customer, they raised an issue with my app, and I was able to use the recipe to immediately generate a properly formatted linear ticket that I could just copy and paste into linear before the call was even done. So this recipe has been pretty convenient, and I'm definitely planning on taking this to the next level using MCP for more automation. But yeah, you can use recipes for a lot of useful things like generating emails, meeting summaries, or content drafts, all directly from your meeting notes, which is going to save you a lot of time. Now, the other main feature of Granola is the chat. At any point, you can chat with your notes directly and ask questions about your meetings. So for example, during a call, I asked about something that was said 15 minutes earlier, and I was able to get an immediate answer without having to go back and scroll through things. And since Granola keeps the full transcript of all of your meetings, even if something doesn't appear immediately in the summary, you can still ask about it, and Granola will find the exact moment it was mentioned in the conversation. This makes it extremely powerful for revisiting customer conversations, clarifying details, or revisiting in-depth discussion. Granola also connects with other tools like Slack, Adio, and Zapier, so you can build some pretty complex and powerful automations from it. For example, you can automatically send follow-up emails, update your CRM, or send meeting summaries to Slack, all without leaving Granola, just directly from your meeting notes. So this really turns your meeting notes into these powerful workflows rather than just static documents. Okay, so how is Granola different from other apps that you might have tried before? I think it comes down to two main things. It feels very simple and not intrusive, kind of like Apple Notes if you like using those. But at the same time, it feels really powerful because of those recipes. So your notes just naturally feel smarter without you having to do anything extra. So I'd say if meetings, calls, or in-person conversations are part of your daily work, then Granola might quickly become one of the more useful tools that you have. Now, there is a free tier, and with the business plan, which is the one I use, you get unlimited notes, more powerful AI models for the chat, and access to MCPs for $14 a month. But right now, they've given me a deal to share with you all. So if you want to try out Granola, you can do so on the business plan for free for a full month. Use the link in the description to get your free month of Granola business plan and go try out those recipes and let me know what you think in the comments. And if you create some godly recipe, definitely share that with me too. I'll be really interested in checking out your recipes.